BTC Reaper Mungo on this chance to teach you how to reap the rewards of trading, whether price is going up or down. Over on total for the daily, we did get a breakout from that other inverted head and shoulders. Then we did continue beyond that. Stochastic is pushing up, VWAP is pushing forward, momentum is gaining strength with a double green dot. So if VWAP continues forward, we can see the money flow break into the green, and then we would continue higher. Over on the 1 hour, you can see we kind of made that shoulder almost perfectly to what we drew it as, and then it wound up breaking out. We did push up, get a retest, and then a bounce. We quickly shot up, so I would watch closely, because remember, when you get a quick move one way, usually you do get a move the opposite direction. We got a very quick move down, so this could be a correction to that, but I would watch because we may pull back. We could still make a higher low and then continue forward. We do want to break that 936 if we're going to continue higher beyond that 1 trillion and continue toward previous highs. So our VWAP is overall in bullish territory. It did break forward. We do have a short low, so watch if it continues to make a bounce. If it can push forward and make a higher low, then momentum will stay bullish, money flow will stay green, and higher time frames can push up. But if that VWAP stays below the neutral here, we will see money flow start to weaken and higher time frames will not push up. Dominance is pushing forward also, because we are seeing total push up ahead of Bitcoin. So this does show how Bitcoin can still gain and dominance can weaken, for those of you that were curious about that. So over on Bitcoin for the daily, this could be one big manipulation move, so I would watch. We do need to break that 93K and hold if we're going to still see any hope for this kind of pattern to play out. This pattern could try to bring us toward that 143K, but I would watch very close. Our stochastic does want to push forward, VWAP is pushing higher, momentum does want to gain strength, and that money flow is trying to break into the green. Over on the 1 hour, we are retesting that support level, so watch for a bounce forward here. If we can see a bounce and a continuation higher over the next few hours, then we can continue within this pattern without invalidating it. However, if we see a rejection here, we would call this pattern invalidated, but we could still see a higher low and try to make a bullish continuation from this range here. That VWAP is in bullish territory, momentum is pushing up. We do have a double red dot though, as that VWAP does want to break down, so watch very close. If that VWAP gets lower highs and lower lows from here, then we will see momentum break away, money flow would pull back, and we would reject. However, if that VWAP can make a decent bounce in this range, then we could make a bull flag and then continue forward. Ideally, we would see some sort of consolidation, because we don't want to keep seeing just big green candles. Again, when you shoot straight up, you do go down pretty quick. Here we did shoot down very quick. We did push up pretty quick. Here we did drop decently. We didn't drop very quickly. It was a little more sustained. Ideally, you do want a little bit of a chop. When you get that little bit of a chop, it creates some support in between your price fluctuations, and then it's harder to break that zone later when you come to revisit it, either whether that be in a bear market or a natural retest. Over on graph for the daily, we are breaking into our pattern as well. So with the rest of the market pushing up, I would watch for this to continue, as well as the rest of our altcoins. This could be very positive. Momentum does want to push up. VWAP is gaining strength. Overall, we are seeing the market push up pretty decently. XRP, we are seeing a pretty quick shoot up. So again, I would watch. We may see some sort of retracement. Ideally, we would get higher lows with higher highs and create a bullish continuation to push us forward. Our other gainers are like Ando, that did gain pretty quick today. Algo did gain pretty quick, so just watch these quick gainers. They may have a little bit of a cool off. Something like Anchor, it didn't gain quite as much, so we may see a little bit more of a pump if the rest of the market does push up, as well as Graph 2. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a great night. Hit the like and subscribe, and join us in that Discord.